Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Pie of Genius podcast. My name is Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach. The real purpose of this channel is to be a catalyst for you and your team to create an amazing conversation. And then that amazing conversation will lead to some new insights. Those new insights will lead you to some powerful actions you can take. And then from those powerful actions, you get some inspiring results that really advance you forward with more clarity, alignment, productivity, and energy. If you and your team find this content helpful, please subscribe and share it with others. Enjoy. I want to speak directly to those of you today who are not believing in yourself. Maybe that's because you've had a past where you've had one fail after another and you just can't seem to get it going. Maybe you're in business and it's just been like, I just no longer believe in myself that I can do it. And so here's my good news for you today. I believe in you. Let me say that again. I believe in you, and I'm going to let you borrow my belief. I'm going to let you borrow my belief that I believe in you. And here's why. I don't even know who you are, but here's what I know for sure because I've lived it myself. I've seen it play out. You have far more potential than you realize. You have far more potential and talent than you realize. Instead of looking for it to be perfect and not coming out, maybe see things through, I'm moving in the right direction. And what I believe is that I can get up and move in the right direction of where I want to be. Not perfectly, but directionally, I'm moving that direction. So I believe that you were created for more than just you. So maybe something you can think about is, who else do I need to get out of bed for? Who else do I need to believe in myself to get up and do something with? So I'm not sure if that helps, but I hope that it does. That even if you don't believe in you right now, I do, and you can borrow my belief. You can say, hey, Jeff believes I can do it. And here's how I know, because everybody can get up and move toward in the direction of what they want to accomplish. You can add skills, you can learn new things. And sometimes it's just as simple, often it almost always is just as simple as making one step in the right direction, then making another step in the right direction. And I believe that you can stand up and take a step in the right direction. I believe in you. And if you don't quite believe in you right now, you can borrow my belief. Have a great day. Bye-bye.